guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am actually going to be showing you guys my empties. I have so many empties. When I went through my whole entire collection, if you guys haven't watched that, I'm gonna put it right here. When I went through that whole collection, I found so many empty products, and I got so many empties, y'all, like, for real. So this is the box. This is the same box I've been using for my empties, and y'all can see it's like barely closing at this point. It's barely closing, friend. So we have a lot of stuff to talk about. And honestly, y'all, I am just going to pick things out of here and talk about it. No rhyme or I'm thirsty, I'm sorry. I actually just got this water bottle, a collapsible one. I don't think I like this one though. I don't know if I like this one, but it collapsed into like a flat. I think it's cool. Let's just hop right into the video. So, first product that I have is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Oil. This is what the oil looks like, and this oil right here, y'all, I love this oil. Now, y'all know I don't use oils as like a sealant. I don't use it in that aspect, but I do add oils to my deep conditioner sometimes. I don't oil my scalp, I'm not gonna tell that lie, but I will add some to my scalp if I have like braids or something. Other than that, I don't really use oils like that, but this one was old and it spilt and so now it's empty, but it is a good oil. If you like oils, I love the smell of the oil. It's cool, whatever. The next product I have is the EcoSlave Peppermint Schnapps. I feel like this is the second one I finished. Not really sure if I've showed you guys this. Love this shampoo. Like, y'all don't understand, I really love this shampoo. It smells so good. It smells like peppermint, smells like mint. It's a hair wash, has the nozzle. Any shampoo with a nozzle, but you already got me like good. Like, I'm good. Set. This shampoo, that my shampoo. I love it. I like that one. Now, EcoSlave, I think they're in Atlanta. I think they're based out of Atlanta. And I think they're on Instagram. It's like an Instagram natural hair brand. Next product, the Camille Rose Coconut Water, y'all. I'm mad, because this was my last one. I ain't got no more. I've been trying to save it, friend. I ain't got no more. I mean, I have so many other products, but I really, y'all know, I always talk about, I did my leave-in in the shower, and I used my Camille Rose Coconut Water. Y'all know I always say it, because I love it. I love it so much, but I still got my ass I am. Y'all know I love that too. Okay. This right here, this random bottle that I got, y'all, this actually was the Miche Refresh. This is a curl refreshing spray. It's the pomegranate and honey. I just didn't need it. It spilt and I ruined it. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all see that it was an empty, but it smells good. I mean, it smells so good. So like when my hair be up like this and I just want my hair to smell good because it's old, I'd be like, yes, it just smells good. It smells just like the curling custard. Who don't want to smell like curling custard? Because it smells too good to me. Let you walk by me smell like the curling custard. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be like, I'm just saying. Moving on, y'all. I know I could talk for days on one product, but we're not gonna do that today. I actually have 2 empties of this product. I don't even remember using all this, but apparently I did. And it is the Texture ID Styling Cream. Y'all know at first I did not like this stuff, and then now I guess I love it because I've used it twice. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I've used all, and I mean all. I use it for my wash and goes. I think I have a few videos using Styling Cream by Texture ID. It is good, even though it smells. But this is not the last product I put on my hair, so I don't care. I will always top it. I did do a wash and go. Actually, yes, I did a wash and go with this, and I think I only used this. It was bomb. I think it was bomb, girl. I don't remember what video that was, but I remember I did it. It has a medium hold, and that gives you like a very fluffy wash and go. Like, it'll give you a good wash and go, but only for like day 1, you know? But if you pair a gel on top of this, I like that. I like it. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Diva Curl Heaven and Hair. If you've tried any of Diva, let me see if I got any more. I haven't ran out of any more Diva Curl. If you guys have not tried Diva Curl, so like, come on. As much as I talk about Diva Curl, I've never been sponsored by them. Now, they do send me all this stuff for free though. But I've never been sponsored by them, okay? So all my opinions are my own. I could have just gave it away and been like, it don't work for my hair. It works. It really works. And I love the Heaven and Hair. I love all the deep conditioners and then some. I have 3 As I Am products, you guys. Go figure. So I have run out of smoothing gel, the curling jelly, and the double buttercream. Yeah, ran out of all these. I like them. I love everything from the first line. Like that first line, I love everything. And the other lines, I like different things that I like about each other line. But the very first classic As I Am, they did that shit. And I love it. And it's empty. Like smoothing gel. This is a smoothing gel. Empty. Okay. Just in case y'all thought I was a fake bitch. I'm not. Double buttercream. Double butter. Didn't have enough in there for me to complete a wash and go. I was like scraping. I was so sad. I was so sad. And then the curling jelly. Okay. Friend. You already knew. It was coming. That curling custard by my hair. It's gone. It's empty as hell. No, but for real, it's like empty as hell. Like, you can't get no more out of here. Ain't no drip. Still smell good though. Oh, it still smells so good. Oh, just can I get a lotion? They got lotion? Maya, y'all got a lotion with this scent? I just need a whole body wash lotion so I could be smelling good. You don't stop out the shower like what? Is that Jim Kim? Yes, that's me. Moving on. This is coincidental. 2 protein deep conditioners. I am out of the Miche Baby. So y'all know I love this. I got 1 more left over there. This is the Miche deep conditioner. And this is the Camille Rose deep conditioner. These both are actually protein deep conditioners, and my hair was lacking protein, so I used it. I love these 2. These are my favorite 2. You guys already know. I've talked about both of these in another video, and you guys know that I love these 2 protein deep conditioners. Like, there aren't any other ones that I feel like give me the same effect as these. Like, I love the slip on these. I love the moisture level on these. They still got moisture, but they have protein, but it just feels so good on my hair. So the Camille Rose one and the Miche one are like my baes. Like, I love them. I love them so much. I'm also out of the Miche moisturizing deep conditioner. This is what it looks like. If you guys are not familiar with Miche, it smells great too. You guys already know I used Miche back in the day. Actually haven't been using it often. It has not been doing too great on my hair. It's been like super moisturized. Now I don't need it to be like that moisturizing right now, but for the winter time, if you guys are looking for some moisture, Miche is good for moisture, but you can overdo it. Okay, don't overdo it. All right, so the next product I got is the Jane Carter Solution Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. So you guys know I love this stuff back in the day. I just don't need this much moisture. If you're looking for moisture, add this to your leave-in. Like, I know Minnie Marley adds it, like put some leave-in in her hand, then she'll take a piece of this, because this is kind of like a shea butter. It's like more smoother than shea butter. Really like that about this, that it's like very smooth, but it still has that clumpy consistency, so you have to mix it in with something else, but it adds a little bit more moisture for you guys. So if you are looking for more moisture in the winter time, this is also, like, I love this stuff. This stuff will actually get you right, and it will elongate your curls as well. Empty. So it is completely empty, so trust me, so it can't be too bad if it's empty. The next one is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask, and honestly, y'all, I think this is my last one. It is my last one. I don't have any more of this. It smells so good. I love the blueberry line. I just love it. And the mask is one of my favorite products from that line. Absolutely love it. Used another one. I actually will buy another one of these, honestly. I'll tell y'all what I'll buy another one of in a minute. We're gonna get through it, and then I'll tell you guys exactly what I would buy again. So the next product I want to talk about is main choice. You guys already know. The Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. And what it look like. This right here is Bae. Wash and Go Bae. I know it says braid out glaze, but this is a wash and go treasure. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Not one person that's done a wash and go with this has been like, oh my god, it's so terrible. Like, yeah, you can get clumps, you can get flakes, but if you know what you're doing, you do it right. The wash and go be popping. It be popping. Ooh, I love it. I love, like, clearly I repurchased that, right? I don't even want to stop talking about it, but I already know this video long, so I'm trying to keep going. And I have used up my Aztec clay. Now this is the very small one. This is actually the only time that I purchased a small one. I always purchase mine from Amazon. I get the bigger tubs that's about this big. I just use it so much. I love this stuff. This is like my third one being empty. I've used it so much. I always use it. If you need a reboot for your hair just acting dumb, this and apple cider vinegar, not the water version, because you can use it with water, but with apple cider vinegar, it really just gives your hair that nice plumpness and just, I don't know what, this is heaven. This is basically bentonite clay, but it's an Indian healing clay. If you guys are not familiar, Google it, YouTube it. There's plenty of videos out for you guys to watch, and that is my entire Empties video. What will I repurchase? I will repurchase the clay, the main choice Tropical Moringa, because my washing goes be popping 10. Okay. I will repurchase the Curls hair mask. I will definitely repurchase my Miche. Come on now. I already did, friend. Yes, I love it. I already repurchased this, but I won't repurchase it again because I don't need this thick of a moisturizer for my hair anymore. And I already have one and it lasts for like, honestly, it lasts for like a year if you use it like sparingly. So anyway, if you use just a little bit amount of this, it'll last for a year. So I really don't. I wouldn't buy that over again. I will repurchase this. You guys know I love the Miche curling custard, and so many of y'all keep asking me, is the curling custard the same as the sculpting curling custard? Honey, I don't know, friend. You need to go ask Miche and report back to me, because I don't know what a sculpting curling custard is. I always get the ones that say curling custard. I don't know, friend. If you know, if it's different, let me know. Comment section below. Of course, my Camille Rose coconut water, yes, repurchase. I need to repurchase, like right now. I have already repurchased this. I actually have a fresh one over there, so of course I've purchased 3 more of these. The Texture ID styling creams. I already have 3 more, so of course I will repurchase. And anything as I am from the first collection, yes, I will repurchase. Do you guys like my new sign? I like my new sign, and you guys are going to like love what I do with it. This whole space is about to change in a moment, and I'm super excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I'm talking about, but I'm excited because that's cool. That light is cool, but I needed to say boom, you know what I'm saying? If you do like these type of videos, please let me know, and I will keep saving my empties so that you guys know what I use a lot of. This is probably the most beneficial video of the year because you guys get to see what I actually use. It's good to know what I talk about, but what did I use all of? Okay. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Look at me deep in my eyes and tell me that